Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add device to Teamviewer. If you want to access your computer remotely or manage multiple devices from one place, adding your device to Teamviewer is an essential step. Once a device is added to your account, you can easily connect to it anytime without needing to enter the ID and password every time. To begin, open the Teamviewer application on the device you want to add. If you haven't installed Teamviewer yet, you'll first need to download and install it from the official website. Once the application is installed, launch it and sign in to your Teamviewer account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one directly from the login page by entering your email address and creating a password. Then next, click on the Device tab found to the right of Connect. These is where you can access all your devices at once. Then click on the plus button found at the lower right corner of the app. As you can see, there are 4 options. We're going to choose the computer option since we're adding another device. Now you'll insert the Teamviewer ID of the other device, as well as the alias and the password. Make sure the alias and the ID are compatible for easy use. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Save. Once the device is assigned, it will automatically appear in the My Computer section of your account dashboard. This section allows you to see all the devices connected to your account in one list. From there, you can simply click the device name whenever you want to start a remote session. Because the device is already linked to your account, you won't need to enter the device ID or password each time. Adding devices to Teamviewer is especially useful if you regularly access your home computer from work, manage multiple office machines, or provide remote support to others. You can also rename devices inside your device list to make them easier to recognize, especially if you manage several systems at once. Once the device has been successfully added and assigned to your account, it will remain accessible through your Teamviewer dashboard as long as the device is online and Teamviewer is running. And that's how to add a device to Teamviewer. By signing into your account and assigning the device using the Easy Access feature, you can quickly connect to it anytime through your Teamviewer device list. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.